Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand microwave and on the display you're getting an F3 error and you're wondering what that error is and what you can do to get rid of it. So first of all, the F3 error, what it is it's an error with the control panel. So there's some kind of, the display or the control panel area is not communicating properly with the microwave. So the first thing that you need to do to try to get rid of this is just to power cycle your microwave. So do a hard reset on it, which is, unplug it from the power source and leave it unplugged for a full minute, and then plug it back in. And while it's unplugged, you just want to make sure everything is looking clean and there's no visible damage to any of the buttons or anything like that that could be causing this error to show up. And then turn it back on and see if the error doesn't go away. And then the next thing to do, if you're still getting this error, is again, you might want to more closely inspect your control panel, your display, and everything like that. And you might actually just need to replace that control panel or display. And in some cases, depending on how much you paid for the microwave, at that point you're getting into sort of new microwave buying territory. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.